Hi, and welcome to the M3 version 2 software overview video series. In this video, we will be discussing 3 additional functionalities in the V2 software: quick tolerance application from presets, the new user message dialog including specifying and displaying variables and adding images, and the new customized export function. We will begin by looking at the quick tolerance feature. I'm going to measure some features so that our report view is populated with feature results. What you can see is in the report view there is a new group of buttons in the bottom toolbar. These group of buttons allow you to quickly add preset values for the nominal or the limits of a given feature. In order to use the quick tolerance feature, we're going to go ahead and put the system in multi-select mode, go to Edit Cells, and choose some diameters from our report. I can quickly apply a single value to each of the selected fields by pressing the preset value in the bottom toolbar. These preset values can be changed and 2 additional can be added for a total of 5 presets. Presets get added to the toolbar in the Measure Settings menu. Quick tolerance buttons 1 through 5 can be used to populate with the desired limit or nominal values. The next new feature we will look at is the new user message dialog. I'm going to again create a quick part program. And go ahead and add a user message. As you can see, a new image button is located in the user message dialog. Press the image button to bring up the Windows File Browser dialog. Navigate to the desired image file and press Save. We will now play back the part program. As you can see, the user message is displayed, including the image that we've added to the user message dialog. Another new feature of the user message dialog is the ability to set and display variables. I will create another new part program to demonstrate this function. Again, add a new user message. The variable set functions by entering any non-numeric value into the display field parameter. In this case, I will enter the variable name lot number. As you can see, as soon as I entered the non-numeric text, the label for the field changed to variable name. I will now enter the user message that the variable set will be defined based on in-program playback, and press Done. When I play this part program back, I will now be prompted to enter a value to set for the variable lot number. The variable lot number is now set to 45B. In the results view, we can simply left-click and drag down from the top to display that variable in the header for any given run of a part. I'm going to hit play to run the part program again. And define a new variable. This variable can also be displayed in 2 other locations as well. One of those locations is in a newly edited template. As discussed in previous videos, we can edit any of the existing program templates. In this case, I'm going to edit the CSV template and add the variable column to this report. I select variable from the report edit list and enter my variable name. Save the CSV report with the variable column added, and we'll reopen our part program. As you can see, the variable gets populated in the report template itself. We'll play the part program back again and enter a new variable result. As you can see, the variable result is reported in the lot number column that was added to the CSV report type. The final location where the variable can be displayed is actually in a printout. In the printout settings, we can add the variable name to any of the custom text locations in the printout. 3 locations in the header and 1 in the footer. Be sure to add square brackets when specifying the variable name for printing in the printout header. Adding lot number here will ensure that if the lot number variable is defined, that variable result will be printed in the header or footer of our printed report. The final feature we'll look at in this video is the new customized export feature. I'm going to again create a new simple part program and go to my data report view. The new export function is performed by long pressing on the export menu in the bottom toolbar. When I long press on the export button, a new export file dialog appears. This new export file dialog allows us to export results data to a specific location and with a specific file name on a playback by playback basis. We want to ensure to enable the prompt for settings on each export if we would like the operator to be prompted on each playback with this export file dialog. Select the Browse button to choose a new location on the hard drive to store the data that is exported. Any of the other standard report settings can also be specified in this export file dialog. We'll play the part program back. And you can see that the operator would now be prompted with the export file dialog, whereby they could specify a new file name or a new export location directly from the dialog itself.